To make a black and white print, what I would do is go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and Gradient Map. Once this window opens up, just click OK. You'll see this adjustment window. Click over here on the gradient picker and select the third one in there, which is the black and white. That will change your image to a black and white image, and that alone is a good black and white image. What I would normally do then is go to Window and Layers to open your Layers window, and you'll see here's your image and the gradient map. Just select the blending mode, which is currently at normal, put it onto overlay, and you can see that this has added a lot of contrast to the color image. And then go over here to opacity, and I normally drag the opacity down to around 30%. But this varies depending on the image and how much contrast you want to put into it. So looking at that one, I'm going to put it about 35%. Once you've done that, go to Layer, Flatten Image, and then go up here to Enhance and Convert to Black and White. And I just do a straightforward conversion. I don't mess around with any of the sliders here or any of the styles here. Just hit OK. And there you have a good high contrast black and white image. After that, what I would do a lot of time is go over here to the burn tool. When you select the burn tool, you can go up here and you can select the size of the brush you want to choose. So once you click on the little triangle there, you can pull the slider up or down to make the brush bigger or smaller. And over here you can select shadows, midtones, or highlights. And I would tend to burn in the shadows mostly in black and white images, so I'm just going to do it there. Just another point to note, just look up here at the exposure and make sure your exposure is down quite low, because if you have it up high when you're doing it, the effects will be very dramatic, as you can see, like that. So just make sure it's low, down around 10 or 15%, so everything will be gradual. And have a look at the image and see where you think could do with a kind of darkening. Just gives it more punch. And as well, try not to overdo it. It's very easy. Okay, once you have that done, you need to go up to File, Save As, and give it a new name. So even if you just put BW for black and white on the end of it and hit Save. Okay, and I've already got one called that. So that's my way of going around changing images to black and white.